So many people do not know that you can actually source for quality skincare products on 1688. Those type of skincare products that you buy from your vendors online or in trade fair and other places. In this video, I'll be showing you some of those skincare products that are specifically made for African skin, whether you're in Africa or you're in UK, US, Australia, Germany. So some of us have seen these products. This is the popular Aqua Rich products that we've seen vendors sell online. So if you look closely, you see that this one does not have any name. This is because this one is open for OEM. That means you can rebrand, a bit private labeling depending on how you call it. You can actually put your own brand name on it and call it your own. So this is why there's no name on this one, but we're going to search for you to see the main aqua products, right? So we're searching now. Have you seen the Aqua Rich product? This is the main one that you've been seeing vendors sell online. Yes. So now we must have seen this, like I've said, and some of us mistake this product to be Korean product. This product is not a Korean product. This product is a Chinese product, and it is a very good product. If you look at the reviews online, you're going to see a lot of good reviews about this product, right? So if you're to source this product, you have to check for repurchase rates and other things, service points, and store rates, product rate, and all of that. You get, so that you make sure that you're making a right decision to invest in this product. You understand? So you need to check for all of this. And now we are in the seller's shop or seller's store. So we are checking for other products that the seller has. So I know we must have seen this, especially if you go to places like trade fair. You will see a lot of this type of products. You get, so all these products are gotten from China. You get, but now the fact that they are gotten from China does not make them less effective. Of course, you must have used them, or you must have been using so many products that you don't know that they were sourced or produced in China. That does not mean that they are less effective, because these days we are just about Korean products. Everybody just lying about the product's origin. You get, so not every product out there in the market are Korean products. China has good products that African use as well, right? So now in this vendor store, you will see a lot of other products. So this vendor has so many products that can be used by brown skin, melanin, dark skin, whatever. You get, so these are products that you can use or sell. So for you that wants to start a skincare business, you can actually source for these products and start up your business. Do you get? And when you go through a seller store, it will give you that option to choose from different products, especially if the seller has less MOQ on each of the products. Yeah, so this another seller with another product. This is another body wash. So this is an African skin made body wash. I be made for African skin body wash, whichever one. Yes, these are things that you can sell, and this seller sells from three pieces. So if you're someone that wants to start a business and you're looking for low MOQ because of your tight budget, you can actually get this, and it comes in different varieties. Then the most important thing is you check for the cross border, which is very, very important. Remember what cross border is. Then you go down, check for other things like the review, check for store review, check for repurchase rate, check for other checkables to make sure that you're making the right decision to invest in these products. Do you get? So you have to check everything. Let's check the seller store to see other products. Now we are in the seller store. We can see that the seller has a lot of other products that has different varieties. You get, so You can also make your choice from these other products. You need to check. Now we are not more seeing cross border. Now they've used another English a bit grammar, foreign trade. It is still the same thing as cross border. You're going to see a lot of different grammar, but they are all saying the same thing. You get foreign trade is cross border, international trade is cross border, English fully trade is cross border, sorry, so all these things are cross border. Always make sure you're checking for products that are cross border. So we check. Now these products are also sold in our market. This one is the serum, or some people call it essence, whichever one you call it. So this vendor also has it in case you want to add to your cart. You get. Now in case you want to add scrub, you can also source for scrub as well. Very effective scrub. They have very good scrub. You get. First thing, you check for foreign trade or cross border to make sure that you're getting the right product for your target audience. Let's check another product. So this is a body wash. I know we must have seen this type of body wash right in the market. So this is a body wash and it comes in different varieties. First thing, check cross border. Yes. Different varieties. Yes. Good. Then you MOQ in case you want to add to cart. MOQ for this is 24 bottles, I think a carton. Always click on the detail button to find out if there are more information about a product that you need to know, you get, or about the seller. So now we've seen that here is the displayed varieties of that body wash. It has different varieties. Now since a carton is 24 bottles and we are starting our business with little budget, we can as well beg the seller to please mix it up for us so that we don't just stock a particular variety, you get, so that we'll spice it up. You understand? So this is another another seller, and this seller has other products as well which we might need. And now we are seeing that for this seller you have 3 pieces as the MOQ, so which is very perfect for some of you that are starting with low capital. So in case you need this scrub, you can actually get 3 pieces of this scrub. You also need to check his store to see if there are other products that you will need that has small MOQ, you get. So you buy little here, buy little here, and before you know it, you've actually made a good purchase of varieties of products that you start up your business with. You understand? So this, I know most of you have seen this. All these are in the market. If you want to know that I'm not lying, just go to trade fair, because that is where almost all the vendors that sell online, offline, outside Nigeria come to stock their skincare products. So go to trade fair, you're going to see a lot of these products. And now that you're seeing them on 1688 does not mean that they are less effective or they are not original products. These products are products that are also sold on Alibaba. Now some of the sellers on Alibaba have their presence on 1688. In fact, on 1688 you're going to talk to majorly some of the factories. Most sellers on this 1688 are the super factories, you get. So on Alibaba, that is their international platform, that is their front end where they interact with buyers. But on 1688, most times you're interacting with the factory directly. Do you understand? So that is it. All these products you're seeing here are products that are sold in our market, and they are good products, you get. Yes, they are good products, because if you check on TikTok, Instagram, you're going to see some good reviews about this product. Now let's check for something. Let us check for more information to see if we'll see other things or we'll know any other thing about this product or this store. You get, on this detail button, like sometimes you don't see information there, but sometimes you get to see some good information. And now, have you seen what I'm telling you? You can see that we are seeing the Nigerian flag, and that means that Nigerians are big patronizers of this store. Nigerians are actually one of the top buyers of their products. Have you seen our Naija? Our Naija. So then tell me, what is still holding you from patronizing this vendor? You get, this vendor or this seller, sorry, I keep using vendor, patronizing this seller, right? You can see that this seller has our Nigerian flag, which means that, wow, our Nigerian people, they buy where all those your vendor, and they come here and they shop. Do you get? So that means their products are effective, right? So let's still check. We're still going to check this seller store to see varieties of other products. You know, there are lots of products here that you can go for, right? Now this is another seller, another store, and this is their body wash. You also do your due diligence, check. You see that this product, this seller's product, is a lot in the market. So many people sell it in the market. You get, so like I said, these are products that you see on the shelves in cosmetic stores, in your supplier stores, online, and all of that. You understand? So these are the products. Many of us are familiar with these products we are seeing here. You know, I've already told you that those people on Alibaba are also here on 1688. Do you guys, just like you're on TikTok, you're on Facebook with the same business. In case you want to source for body oil, you also check, do your due diligence, check the MOQ. You get, I've used quite a number of their body oil, and I'll tell you for a fact that they have good body oils that glows the skin. So you can go ahead and add to cart, either for private use or for commercial use. So let's check this vendor store. As you're checking, also be checking the year the vendor have been on 1688 or in this business. You get, you can see it up there. The seller also has body scrub in case you want to add to the list of your product that you'll be getting from this store. So you can see this scrub has variety. So all you do is you just check and check. Now, like I said earlier, their glow oil or their body oil is very good, and they have different brands, you get, and different packaging. So in case you want to source for glow oil, go ahead, source, then check vendor store for other products that you might want to add to cart as well. So guys, sourcing skincare that can be used or that are majorly produced for black skin is possible on 1688. So you need to take sourcing on 1688 seriously if you want to build expertise in importing from 1688. All these things you're seeing here did not just pop up. It is because I have mastered this 1688 sourcing in a kind of way. Do you get? And I keep building it. So guys, now you have seen that there is nothing that you cannot source on 1688. All you need to do is to keep building your sourcing skill. all those skincare products that you usually see on Alibaba can also be sourced and procured here on 1688, and we still have a lot of them, different brands and all. So that is it for this video. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section, and I promise to answer each and every of your questions. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.